In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently search within a specific folder in Google Drive while using the web interface. This is a super handy skill if you're someone who has a lot of files and needs to keep things organized without having to sift through your entire drive. A problem most of us face quite often, right? Let's dive right into it. To get started, you'll first need to open Google Drive in your preferred web browser. Once there, navigate to the folder in which you want to conduct your search. Now, this folder will serve as the specific area where Google Drive will focus its attention during the search process. You know, it's kind of like giving it a smaller playground to play in, rather than the entire park. When you've found the folder, you're going to use one of two easy methods to start your search. The first method involves a simple right-click on the folder. This action will bring up a contextual menu with various options. Here, you'll select Folder Information. As you click through, you should see the option to Search Within Folder Name. By selecting this, you're instructing Google Drive to narrow its search, making sure that it only looks within this specified folder and often its subfolders. It's a bit like telling your search engine to not just find a needle in a haystack, but in a particular bunch of hay. Now, alternatively, there's another method if you prefer using the search bar directly. Head to the top of your Google Drive window and click on the search bar. You'll notice a down arrow appear on the right side, which indicates Search Options. Click on this arrow, and you'll be presented with various search filters. Under the Locations section, you'll choose the desired folder. And just like that, Google Drive gets to work, focusing solely on the contents of that folder and its subfolders. With either method, once you've set your search location, you simply type in your search term into the search bar and hit Enter. Google Drive will then present you with the results, all of which are conveniently confined to the folder you specified. And there you have it. This technique provides a more streamlined search, saving you heaps of time and effort. Keep in mind that while this is a fantastic tool, it won't perform miracles. If you're still having trouble finding a particular file, double-check your spelling or try different keywords. Also, remember that some shared files might have restrictions based on permissions. So, next time you're facing a mountain of unsorted files, remember these tips to stay ahead of the chaos by searching within specific folders in Google Drive. Give it a try and see for yourself just how effective it can be. Thank you for joining me today, and happy searching.